Hello and welcome to another video about the Tesla Model 3 at a traditional car show. While watching this video, you'll notice how everyone is having a good time. You can't beat the car show experience. In this slideshow, you'll see the excitement of kids and adults who had the opportunity to see a Tesla Model 3 up close and even sit behind the wheel. Many of the visitors are aspiring owners who now have the opportunity to ask questions and receive factual answers. For letting me take their picture, I reward them with a Tesla-shaped key fob. If I have a young visitor with extra knowledge and excitement for Teslas, I will reward them with a die-cast Tesla model. Also, in the video, you will see that I have set up a short video for visitors to view. They can see what it is like to ride in a self-driving Tesla from a passenger's perspective. Lastly, I have several non-Tesla die-cast cars on display in the frunk. If someone owns the real one, the die-cast model is given to them for free. I hope that by watching this slideshow, you will get a sense of the impact that seeing a Tesla Model 3 can have on people.
striping on it, the ground effects, the whole thing was identical to my retro car.
So much, and then you're like, you're like, that's me.
I charge a lot of money if I'm in your video.